Hey, you're back in Yodiville with Obi. Check out these bizarre roommates who hate being zapped by microwaves.
Oh my god, guys, my roommates are trying to use the microwave again.
Oh, thank God. It's so worth it. So worth it. So worth it.
That's why we have created the safest way for you to confidently travel with your small pet. We are pleased to introduce the rocket chair pouch. I know. It may look silly, guys. Oh my God. It may look silly, but trust us. The rocket chair pack is the only way to go. Wait.
Check out this resort worker clearing the beach.
Oh!
To be something that people see all the time.
Yeah, and the truth is, if you have great stuff, you can challenge over the white part of the plate a little bit more and let your stuff just play. If you don't, you better figure out.
Oh, no! Oh, my goodness. The White Sox have just gone full White Sox.
They're not cleaning the floor, but a giant LED screen. This happened at the 2023 Women's Basketball World Cup, where the traditional wooden floor was swapped for an LED screen. Court's lines and patterns were all shown through LED lights, making the experience more interactive and exciting for the audience. The athletes didn't step directly on the LEDs, though. They played on a special tempered glass with the lights underneath. This glass is super strong, able to handle tons of pressure, and keeps the ball bouncing just like on a regular floor. All the court lines and patterns are controlled by computer. Example, basketball lines appear for a basketball game and badminton lines for a badminton game.
In case you were wondering, here's how you audition for a zombie movie. Here's someone who has no shame. Have you tried yoga with your pet?
Ladies and gentlemen, the pool will be closed for 5 minutes. I have the small bathroom break I have to do.
Well, I guess it's time to get out of here. See you next time in Yodiville. Bye.